Hi all, welcome to the session on SAP ABAP. Today we'll discuss about parameters and select options. Both parameter and select option helps to input users values. If user wants to give any input on the screen for the program to use, we can use both parameter and select option. There is a difference between parameters and select option. Parameter, we can maximum give one input value. Select option, we can give a range, inclusion, exclusion. It's more powerful than parameter. Let me show you in a program how we can declare a parameter and how we can declare select option. Let me log into SAP, create a program. Give the name of your program, click on create. Select type of program, executable, it's a report program. Save. I am going to choose local object. I write the program. Parameters p, like for the variable, we use data, parameters p underscore number, type integer, period, is one statement, parameters to take input. Next, write p underscore now. So what it will do in this parameter statement, it will show an input field where you can give user defined input. Whatever the input you give, it's stored in PNUMB. Right statement is to print in the output. So PNUM will be printed in the output. Save, check, activate, run. You give a number, say 23, it will say 23, the output. Let change it a little bit. I'll use a chain operator and the number input is P number. So if I give it this one, now I'll show these two values, activate and run. If I give it is 50, I execute it. The number input is 50. So this is how we declare an user parameter. You can see the name of the parameter is a technical field. You can change it to the user defined field using go to text element, selection text. So selection text is to give an user defined name to your parameter. Otherwise, the technical name will be shown. No user will be interested on the technical name. So better to give an user defined name. I just give input number. So instead of P number, the technical field, now the input number will be shown. You can say input number, whatever the number you input, click on execute, it will say the number input is this one. So this is how we use parameter. Parameter, you can see only one input. Let's go and learn select option. Okay, let me change this program. I'll comment this. Last class, I explained how to comment star. We put the star in the beginning. The whole line will be commented. Let me also comment this. I'm going to create select option. I'll do in data. One variable I declare type I. Then select options. Select option. First select option for LVA and another two select option I'm doing. Second select option for LV. So this is the syntax. Declare a variable and select option. You are going to create two select options. Let me show you how it looks on the screen. There will be two. You can see this is how a select option looks like. And this is how a parameter looks like. See, parameter is only one input, select option is a range. Even you can see, we can give from value to value. This is actually multiple selection gives more features and functionality. Where you can give single values, you can give a range, and here you can exclude single values, exclude range. So different options are there. Like for parameters, I change this technical name to a user-defined name. For select options, also you can change. How to do that? Go to text element, selection text. You can see S1, S2 technical name showing. You can change it. Now, if you activate and see, you see fast selection. Let me comment out the parameter one with a star in the beginning. I just want to learn select options. So these are select option. In select option, this value is the low value, this value is the high value. So this value is the low value, this is the high, low and high. Say for example, I give two values here. I want the addition of these two. Means this select option low, this select option low. I'll explain in detail the structure of the select option later because the structure of the selection of option is a table itself. But for time being now understand a select option has low and high. And if you want two of these values to be added, you can use this select option low, select option. Suppose I want uh, high also to be added. Okay, so I'll say low of these two are and high of these two are. How do I write it? So I'll be declaring two variables to hold the low and high addition. What type I will be another two variables I declare. So what I'll write will be low R will be is first select option low plus second select option low. Similarly, LV IR equal to S too low for and S1 I S2 I. So I added two variables, the low to this variable and high to this variable. Let me print it. Right? Chain operator, if I want to print multiple values at a time, and this is for new line. Okay, I can write the low addition value LB low R. Then I can put this another line. This is new line. If you put this character, it will use the output will show in a new line. The I value, comma, LB, I, R. I, let me run it. So I give 23. If I give 10, 20, let me give 30 and 40. So what will happen? The low addition will be 10 plus 20 and the select option high addition will be 30 plus 40. It's 70 and 30. Let me see. Low addition 30 and high addition 40. So in this program, what we understood? In this program, we understood uh, how to declare uh, parameter, how to declare select option. What is the low high in select options? Whereas in parameter, you can give only one input value. In select option, you can give a range, low, high to those options. Let me take this program and give in the presentation. Okay, we go to parameter. We change this. This is fine because this taking two inputs and taking a variable, and this variable value is the sum of first variable and second parameter. That's okay. This is the difference between parameter and select option, how to declare and how to use it. Thank you all.